Raw honey and cayenne pepper are two ingredients that are especially popular amongst health-conscious individuals. Both ingredients not only promote our health a number of different ways, such as naturally boosting immunity, providing numerous antioxidants, and having antibacterial and antifungal properties, but when combined and infused together, this mixture can also provide powerful medicinal benefits. You can simply make your own raw honey infused with cayenne pepper at home. All you will need is 1 to 2 cups of raw organic honey and 2 to 3 dried cayenne peppers. Chop the peppers and then add the honey and cayenne peppers into a saucepan. Heat over medium to lower heat until the ingredients begin to simmer, but make sure not to boil. As this mixture starts to simmer, turn to low heat, cover and simmer for about 30 minutes to let the cayenne peppers infuse into the honey. You can add more peppers based on personal preference, but you do not need to consume them in large amounts to obtain their health benefits. Remove from heat and stir the mixture, allowing it to cool. Strain into a mason jar, making sure to can the jar so it is airtight, and then store in a cool place. When consuming, 1 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon is more than enough for a single serving, especially if you are consuming regularly. Now, let's discuss the incredible health benefits of consuming raw honey mixed with cayenne pepper. First, consuming a mixture of infused raw organic honey and cayenne pepper can provide our bodies with a number of important antioxidants that can help to boost immunity naturally, reduce unwanted free radicals and oxidative stress, reduce the risk of certain unwanted chronic diseases, and reduce inflammation. Infused raw organic honey and cayenne pepper can also help to support heart health and reduce the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. This powerful mixture of infused honey and cayenne pepper can also help to boost immunity naturally and provide potent antibacterial and antifungal effects. Lastly, consuming raw honey infused with cayenne pepper can help to improve the overall health, look, and strength of our hair. This infusion is well known for improving hair quality.